What brought me to Healing Within was I have a condition called psoriasis, and it's an autoimmune disease. And the things I've read is it's linked to your gut health. And so I was reading, and it said colonics would be a good start to finding good gut health. So I looked up a colonics, and I happened to find Healing Within, and it had an energy healing and colonics. So I was like, interesting, I've heard of energy healing, I've never done it before, so I'll give it a try. So on my way to my appointment at Healing Within, I all of a sudden started feeling really emotional, and I hadn't cried in a couple of years. And I didn't know why, but I just started bawling, driving along, coming to my appointment. So I got myself together, and I walked in the front door of Healing Within, and I was welcomed by a friendly face who reached out to me, and when she touched my hand, I started crying again, and I didn't know why. So she put me on the sound tube. She put me on the sound table, and I was in there, and I had tears, and again, I still didn't know why I was crying. I felt like something was opening up for me. And I was on there for a while, and then Kristen came in, and Kristen welcomed me and introduced herself, and she put her hands on me, and I was just sobbing, and she helped me to release a lot of things that I didn't know that I had in me that needed to come out. Needless to say, it was the most beautiful session that I'd ever had, and I got done with my session, and I went home, and I never realized that I actually looked into the mirror, and I saw myself, and I hadn't actually looked in the mirror and looked and saw my soul in years, and I was like, whoa, you have a beautiful soul. And that was a lot for me. I didn't realize that, I thought my gut was broken, and I didn't realize that as a whole I was really broken and I needed to heal. So that started my journey. I was like, I want to feel this, and I want to have this, and I want to have this truth, and I want to continue to grow and to heal.